Hello everyone, this is my toothpick lifter machine for challenge 51. So let me show you how this works. Whenever I pick this toothpick that is on the spot where it's written SD, so whenever I pick it up, it will automatically fill its spot after sensing that the toothpick has been taken. So I will show you. As you can see, a new toothpick is on its spot. And now I'm going to tell you how this works. So I'll show it again. As you can see, it automatically fills it, and I can put as many toothpicks as I want in this spot. So now I'm going to tell you how this works. I'll switch off the power supply, and as you can see over here, this thing, this is a photoresistor. So whenever I pick up the toothpick, when the toothpick is on the spot, so it will sense the toothpick is there. How? So when the toothpick is there, it senses darkness, that no light is reaching, as no light is reaching it. So it will sense that it's darkness, and its servo will be at 0 degrees position. But whenever I'll pick the toothpick, light will come into the photoresistor, and it will tell our Arduino board. I'll use Arduino Nano for this project. This is Arduino Nano. So it will tell our Arduino Nano board that the toothpick has been taken, and then with this servo motor, there are two servos. So both of the servo will move at 90 degrees position, and thus lifting it up like this and refilling the toothpick. As you can see. Here is the list of things that you will need for this project. Number 1, Arduino Nano as a controller and its cable to connect it to the laptop and transfer the code. Then a 10k ohm and a photoresistor to measure the light, and a 10k ohm resistor to connect the photoresistor to the 5V power supply in our Arduino board. Then 2 servo motors to lift the cardboard up. Then jumper wires to connect everything. Cardboard as our main building block, and thermocol which will be connected to the servos to easily lift the cardboard, and then toothpicks. And here is the list of all the things that you will need. You may take a screenshot of this, and it will be available in the description with this wiring schematic, as you can see. And here's a zoomed version of this, and here's the code for this project. You may find the link for all of this in the description. Thank you. Bye bye.